The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) rules dictate that all election campaigns should cease 48 hours to the general election, which falls on 6th August. A clash is, however, looming following reports that the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Party and the Kenya Kwanza Alliance have scheduled their last rallies at the same venue at Nyayo Stadium that can accommodate 45,000 people.
We have booked and are preparing for our last major rally on the 6th of August at Nyayo Stadium.
As per a letter that Kenya Kwanza's head of presidential campaign, Governor Josephat Nanok, wrote on July 12, 2022, UDA deposited 1.5 million from its Equity Bank account to Sports Kenya Standard Chartered Bank account. This is after they wrote a letter to Sports Kenya on 7th July showing interest of using the Nyayo Stadium for the 5th and 6th of August.
When we were booking this, there was no other political party that had done a booking. There was no other institution or organization that had done a booking for Nyayo Stadium. So preparatory work for the invitees is going on for this particular last rally, the major rally where we will be telling Kenyans why we will want them to vote for us on the 9th of August.
However, Sports Kenya, that is mandated to manage most stadiums through a letter, informed UDA's presidential aspirant, William Ruto, that the venue would not be available to them because it had been booked for peace concerts.
We have realized that they have been bending the hands of the Ministry of Sports, forcing them to be given that stadium and to cancel our contract. Indeed, we received a cancellation letter, but that is a breach of contract because that cancellation letter has been done under duress, and we will want the ministry responsible to revert back to the contract that we had agreed on.
While terming the cancellation as a breach of contract, head of Ruto's presidential campaign, Josephat Nanok, says they will seek legal redress over the Nyayo Stadium cancellation.
We are prepared to challenge the Ministry of Sports legally on that because we have a signed contract. The contract hasn't been cancelled. We want Azimio to show proof of when they booked the stadium because they don't have that proof. We want them to show the receipts.
Meanwhile, Deputy President William Ruto has confirmed attendance of the July 26 presidential debate, where he is expected to face off with his main arch rival, Raila Odinga.
I want to confirm here today that the Kenya Kwanza candidate, Dr. William Ruto, will be participating in the presidential debate next week. He is ready for any questions. His appearance, however, is pegged on the condition that the moderators will allocate equal time to issues that are affecting Kenyans.
Mariam Jahid, K24, Nairobi.